In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Meta AI mode search on Facebook. Let's get started. First, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search with the app Facebook. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now click on the search icon even at the top right. Now type in your question naturally, just as you would when chatting with an AI assistant. For example, you can ask, what are the best coffee shops nearby? Once you submit your search, Meta AI analyzes publicly shared content from Facebook groups, Reels, and Instagram to create a summarized answer at the top of the results page. Traditional search results such as pages, profiles, and groups will still appear below the AI response. The best part is that you can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions. This allows you to refine your search, get more specific recommendations, and explore topics in greater detail without starting a new search every time. Meta AI mode is designed to help users discover real-world options, community insights, local recommendations, and trending discussions faster than ever. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.